In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stack videos on Capcut, and I'll take you through the process step by step. Whether you're new to Capcut or want to refine your video editing skills, you'll find this guide super helpful. Let's dive right in by opening Capcut and starting a new project. Launch the app on your device and tap on the New Project option. This sets the stage for your creative work, allowing you to focus entirely on the project at hand without any distractions. Once you're in the project, the first step is to add your main video clip. This will be the foundation upon which we'll layer your other videos. Simply select the video from your library that you want to use as the main clip and add it to your timeline. This could be your longest or most significant piece of footage, the one that sets the context for your story. Now we want to move on to bringing additional videos into the mix. Tap on the overlay option, which is readily accessible on the Capcut interface. This feature allows you to add extra layers, which is perfect for stacking videos. Once you've tapped overlay, select add overlay to insert your second video. Think of this function as creating video layers, one on top of the other, allowing each video to have its distinct presence in your final creation. Depending on how many videos you plan to include, repeat the overlay process. If you have multiple clips you want to align artistically or showcase simultaneously, this step is crucial. Capcut makes it intuitive and straightforward. Continue to click overlay, then add overlay until you've added all the videos you want in your project. After you've got all your videos into the project as overlays, the next step is to reshape and reposition them to fit your vision. You can do this by resizing each clip to your desired dimension and then placing them strategically on the screen. Perhaps you want one video to captivate the center space, while others fill up corners or line up across the top and bottom. Consider what best complements the story you're telling and adjust accordingly. Once satisfied with the arrangement of your videos, it's time for a preview. Play back the whole sequence to ensure everything flows smoothly and appears exactly as you envisioned. This is your chance to make any tiny tweaks or adjustments to the layout, ensuring each video segment is seamlessly integrated. Finally, when your stacked video masterpiece looks perfect, you're ready to export. Capcut offers user-friendly export options, so you can save your newly edited video in the desired format and quality. And there you have it, a straightforward way to stack videos using Capcut, all done in no time. I hope you found this tutorial clear and helpful for your video editing endeavours.